shocking vibes now. When you decided to say, okay, everything is getting shaky here now, was the problem with Patrick Roberts or with Beenie Man?
All right, my problem was with basically, all right, Moses and Patrick too, because Moses could have, Moses can, all right, basically you're the leader. You understand? Patrick are the boss. See? But you know, say, all right, the artist, we're the leader. And if I was in his position, then, because you know, me boss before him, but him boss at a greater magnitude. You understand? Yes. And you supposed to can stand up. Because me and Beenie Man come like brother. Because people have to say we are brother. Because if you used to say Kirk and me are brother, we have the same last name. Is couple interview I tell him, say, no, we are not really brother. You understand? But come like, I know him from like him about 7 years old. That's how long. So basically, me I say, when certain things now go on and you have to stand up as the leader, then can you have that power then and can say, here you know. I saw the thing are going on. Kirk of Ferrari and Tanto of Ferrari and blah blah Ray. One at the time Lenny do want come back to, and Patrick never really take him back. You understand? But one at the time Lenny and Beenie Man have a vibe going. Because Lenny helped Beenie Man to. May I tell you the truth? Because when Lenny boss, Lenny we got Guyana. Because you know the man, alright, you know when a crew thing, sometime when everybody in the crew have any hit song, but them have songs under them belt, but the man who is the man was Lenny. So when people book, them ask Little Lenny. And then Patrick will say, well, this is a package. We have Kirk and we have, I'm not afraid for talking, brother. I'm not go around, you know. I'm not fool myself, you know. You see me I say? When you're not in demand, sometimes people don't look at you. When you hear people see something I go on and now some people, everybody start run, come, yeah, man, they're a wicked artist long time and they don't know the bandwagon thing. You see? So I have to give respect to Lenny to see me. But him and Beenie Man, have a vibration to one at the time where like we're up on the road and them always have some disagreement or want to fight. And the first me I said this in any interview at all. I tell you. You understand? And sometimes Patrick would talk to Beenie Man away too and diss him too. You understand? Me not telling a lie. And sometimes me and him we have a little vibration because it's a man who sometimes he may want to tell you say, yo, the sky blue. And me I say to him, say, no, I say the sky red. And basically if you not say what him I say basically is like there's a problem there. And he must say some things where we hurt my feeling and we say to him, say, yo, Jano, I mean, we hold it sometime. I have to big up on my brethren to name Scatter. We used to singing at Bloodfire Pass. He's a youth that will ever had my defense, you know, because we go up on tour and when at the time I have laryngitis, the time I can't sing. And as me get a little ease, me test my voice and I say, oh shit, and me can't say that, then I say I can't sing. But it's not every night me can't sing. Remember now, me and Beenie Man come like brother. And me there that one at time start complaining and say, boy, Kirk not sing already. So Scatter say, yo, my youth. The man have laryngitis, you don't know nothing about singing. Vocalist, you're a DJ, the man is a vocalist. He's a real singer, so things happen to this. Way. And we go on. You know, wish me not think that should have been a big problem because as me say, me go up on show and me not go up on me not sing and me still get paid. With the pay and the money now, me think him can stand up more and say, you're a Kirk, you're a Patrick Kirk, and then forget more and money. Because you got some far place, all Africa and some Japan. The first time I go to Japan and the second time I get paid properly. You understand? That time I go by myself. Not exactly by myself, then book other people, but I was booked, Little Kirk and Beenie Man and the Pandis and whatever. So me get the money. So it's like after that, me go there now, the money just dribble down and me I say to myself, so boy, it's rough, but me have me youth them for deal with and me youth them have to go to school and them have to eat. And you don't know a woman and things. So sometimes you just clutch and you say, yo, I go and suck this and go through. See, me not bash Patrick because Patrick has done a lot of stuff. Same way, because you still have to remember where I come from. But in myself, me I say me should have just like wise up long time and just leave and just go up on my own. Because when I leave and go up on my own, I'm there in Miami. This is when I decide to leave now and we do a show. Some of the time when you go to show them, the time not there, so Beenie Man alone does work. And then basically pay you. See? So, I go sub up on there Miami now and there and the show done. And remember, we have come back to Jamaica and youth have to go to school and stuff, you know. So I have to go make me youth them go to school and me here saying none of when I go get no pay. Because some vehicle have to go buy for some woman or something like that. So me I say, I don't really understand that, you know, because I go on my little funds I get because it's a little bit of money to me, never even mention it. You understand? But me still give thanks because it helped me to do a lot of stuff. And I go sub up and say, no, I'm going to need it. And him say, all right, Kirk, I'm going to deal with it. And I leave and I go up in my room. And dead. As me said to you, say muscle, me no normally talk them things because sometimes me is a man with us whole things. Come do interview and people say Kirk, you know a lot of stuff and you not talk. I mean I say sometimes you have to just hold your vibration, brother. Cause life set up a way. And I mean I say no man I go try come kill me or whatever, but life is very funny. So you have to know what you do and what you say. You have to use wisdom at the same time. But sometimes you have to speak the truth to make the people them hear the truth. I mean, me is not one way come tell lie or try sweet up a thing. Me I tell it just the way it go. When I go sang by him room, I have a brother named Blue, and I sit down in the room there, and I talk to some people, and I did it from about after 8. And I see it reach like near to 12 o'clock. I said to him, Moses, I do you do not come on my room? Normally, I know him pay, you know, you have Kevin and Ralston, which is the road manager, them normally pay, but because of the show there, we so nobody not really get no pay. You know, that's what I heard, and him responsible. So I go to him, and me know me and him different. You understand? Yeah. And we go some, yeah, man. So me sit down there and I wait, see me, as I said, from after 8 till about near to 12, and I said to myself, boy, I feel away in myself then. Because me and him supposed to be different. Because when me boss, me never left him to either. Me and him up and down same way. You understand? Me never go in at some things. Trust me. But me do a lot same way. Helping him to, and him do a lot helping me to have me out there to see me and be grateful for that. Now sometimes when you talk something, people come and talk about them have this thing about bad mind and grudge. Me not grudge people. I mean, what me having and a man can't take that from me. And me have something special. Him gifted everybody and them things. So I start feel away in myself. And before that, I was feeling away too because they make you feel like you're not nobody more time, brother. You understand? It's like you're not really important. You're just dead. You just like as a little tag along. I mean, never want to feel like a little tag along because I know I'm special in my own way. I know what I have. And people all over the world tell me to, because even sometimes some people say, why are you carrying backup for him? You should be carrying backup for you. I mean, I said, no, man, I said that. He's a great artist and real. I say, yes, he's great, but you are different. I say, yeah, we are different, so you can't compare and say, well, I am great and he's not great. And should I say, she said, well, them say, well, that's my opinion. So me, I say, no, I mean, I really feel the opinion, but I hear your opinion. You understand? Because he's great in his own. He's a great entertainer. You know, I'm good at what I do. I know me good and great in what me I do. So it's not like me doubt myself. And me hear him say to Blue, so, Blue, the Kirk, Ray. And Blue, give me the money. I'm go in my room and I lay down in my bed. And my eyes, I start crying. And I say, Father God, I not go can manage this. And I say, at this my gone to Virgin is like, I lose all myself, you know, muscle. I tell you, when I time I come like, I don't even know who me is, brother. You understand? And with the whole heap of room and them in a go around and a whole heap of thing I go through, you know, brother, a whole heap of crucifixion I go through, you know. And people don't know me, you know, brother, and people judge me. And when you talk about it, I'm gonna say, well, so why you talk about it if they never true? I say, you want to tear down my character, brother, and crucify me, and you don't know me. Because if you didn't know me, you would never even think that in your mind.
Yeah.
Because the amount of woman I go through, brother, I can't talk, I'm not trying to prove nothing to nobody. I can't, sometimes women just come to me, I don't even remember who they are.
Yeah.
You understand? Until me calm down and say, I have me youth them and me start focus. Different. And me start feeling weird.
Hold on. One question I want to ask you about Shock and Vibe before we move out of that situation there. I know one of the last before the Bling Dog and those guys came in was Frisco Kid. He was one of the ones to come in, but then he left very quickly. What was the situation there with Frisco Kid and Shock and Vibes?
All right. It was a money situation also because it was a money situation. Because Frisco, my brother, even to this day, and him live near to me, so we talk and stuff. All right, we will go out there and we get paid, and then some things you do, you not get no money or you here. So well, people them go and be the man alone, and they really want nobody. You know? So if you know I'm going, I can go. That was one of Patrick's words sometime, you know, and me never really have feel that. Come here and say to myself, so well, if they don't want we, then why I was saying we go then? But basically, I say, well, me I look out for so I can eat the food. Which is good for you to look out for people, but you don't really present it so because you can. Me is a one of them say me too sensitive. Because me is a man, me think different, and me is a thinker. And you will say something to me, and it register, but it not register. Me will lay down in my bed and it come back right up in front of me and I work it out. And I say, say, a fool muscle take me for do. I try style the thing, brother. You understand? And we will come to you and tell you, plain as anybody will know me. Sometimes you have a little brother as a Kirk, you can't do that. Sometimes you have to just play the hypocrite role. Let me tell you, say, I don't like playing the hypocrite role, brother, because if I don't know you, I don't want to laugh with you and talk with you. You come to me and say, brother, I'm not deal with the brother. Love me alone and go on your ways. That don't mean me hate you. Me just know why I don't argument with you. And then you have to go play the hypocrite role and say, yo, yes, I'm a dope, but you made me that. Me can't, and not me that. It's hard for me to do. So when me talk, is like people feel like, hey boy, I never have to say that. And why? Me have to say what they put my heart, brethren, and that me feel. If me have something against Beenie Man and do something, we will say to him, say, yo, how foolish is that? Remember, me and him do a song already, and then tell me, say, yo, you're going to do a video for the song. Because me and him do a whole heap of song. Me and Beenie Man probably do. Me depend every one of him album them. Different from the one that win Grammy. If you check them, no lie. And he did a song and we say we're going to video the song and I go some up and him say, Ray, put full white. And I go some put on my full white and him probably never remember. Or him probably remember to and even think. Because sometimes a man, even a mean bad in a sense to in some cases, because I just tell you something and then probably just go and do something different. So, but me need begs. I put on my white and go up a shocking vibe and I wait. And I say, yo, where Moses? Can't say Moses. I say, Patrick, Moses there. I say, Moses fly out Ghana, New York. I say, what you say? Yo, me a drive go back over my yard. Me I said, no, star. Me I said, I can't. Me not like that, man. If Moses call me, I say, Kirk. I'll sing harmony right now. Me gone. If him say, Ray, me gone. You see me, I said to myself, so how it set the way that a man can call me for Ray, and then me call you know, me have to go wait all 1 month and me have to go wait for Ray. I mean, not think that right, because first of all, me is like brother too. Me no say no deed me good because him do a whole heap of things the same way. I'm grateful for me do a whole heap for him too. Where him probably never even acknowledge and remember, but people when know that. I mean I go point them out. Him know in him heart. Because me know in my heart. Me used to trim him too, you know. I mean a barber. Let me trim him people look at me and tell me that be you know, like, yeah man, real thing. A far man him I come from. I love him as a youth and as a person.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.